Today I'm going to demonstrate how to prepare a Rhode Island Iced Coffee. Now you're going to need your mixing tin and your mixing glass for this, and we're going to start by adding ice to our mixing glass, and eventually we're going to strain this into an old-fashioned or low ball, so you want to add ice to that as well. Now we're going to start with our coffee liqueur. From there we're going to add in our vodka, and then we're going to be adding in our brandy. So we're going to go equal parts on these. So I'm going to say half an ounce and a half an ounce, and then half a part on our brandy, so a quarter ounce. So starting with our Kahlua, 1, 2 for our half ounce. To our vodka, 1, 2, also a half ounce. And finally to our brandy. We're just going to do a quarter ounce, so just a quick pour. Then we're going to add in 2 parts of cream, already measured out right there. And then we're going to shake and strain into our old-fashioned or highball. Get a nice seal going on. Give the tin a little tap to break that seal, and then strain directly into your highball, or low ball, I'm sorry. And that is your Rhode Island Iced Coffee.